Hey guys, welcome back to Grim Reaper RC. I have another painted finish up body that I almost just dropped on the table here. This is a Ford F350 body. This is pretty cool. You guys could probably already see by the thumbnail and the description of what this thing is, but this thing is pretty sick. So let's get into the video today. Pop this thing open. You guys can see that I still have some parts in here, just miscellaneous parts from the build, some Super G stuff. Let's not give it away too quick, but you guys can see that it's painted with mica silver on the bottom and then gunmetal gray up top. This is the TS paint lineup. Masking tape line did pretty good. This is a dually bed for the F350 with a black interior. Let's get this box out of the way real quick. Just put it to the side. And then we will grab this thing. This is the full top of the body right here. Now we do not have windows in the back, but it's alright. I did not have enough rock sand to do it up, but this will do it justice. Let's get that box out of the way. I won't drop on the body over there. Get the box out of the way. Alright, you guys can see the F350. This is a double cab or a full cab. Does have the toe mirrors on it. Also does have the mica silver and the gunmetal gray. You guys can see that we did put the plastic on the window on the front, the driver side, passenger side, and the rear, just not the back windows. We do have a rough cut going on there. It isn't finished up yet, but I did want to just show it off real quick to you guys. This body is super long. It was for a Tamiya Hilux, but it is extended. This is a custom made body. Back bed and custom front cab from Switzerland. It was made from a piece of fiberglass and also some Bondo back here. You guys can see it. Just a rough cut on the windows as well. Just have it lined up for now. I am going to be doing a custom chassis build for this. Just showing off the body real quick. This body is pretty cool. I will be doing a custom build series, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. Just wanted to show this thing off real quick. So that is basically it for Grim Reaper RC today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you guys tell me what you want to see next for the build series. I will be commenting back. So that is basically it for Grim Reaper RC today. I hope you guys enjoyed.